In conclusion, now there are other integration-oriented platforms that will allow you to connect cloud-based platforms to your school community, although not all are mentioned and sanctioned officially inside of your school account. If you go to your favorite search engine and you were to type in integration, Pabbly, and school, you will find that there is a connection between Pabbly and school. However, as of the recording of this video, integration with the platform connector Integrately, which is also called Make.com, does not yet connect to your school community. Now, the only connection that is maintained along with school is your Zapier connection. And because none of this requires coding on your end, this is an element you want to be certain about and will be maintained when platforms and software changes. So while you can currently use Pabbly and you can't use Make or Integrately, Zapier is the only platform that is being maintained and mentioned inside of the school platform in the settings area. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.